The other day I talked about Wealthfront. Today I'm going to be talking about Wealthfront versus Fidelity. Some people have asked me, Maverick, what is best between Wealthfront and Fidelity? As you know, Wealthfront is a robo-advisor platform which is designed to offer automated investment management, and it provides various financial services including automated portfolio management, tax loss harvesting, and financial planning tools. Now, Wealthfront charges a management fee of up to 0.25% of assets under management, and it's also known for its user-friendly interface, making it suitable for those who prefer a hands-off investment approach. And at the other hand, right there, we have Fidelity. And Fidelity Investments is a traditional brokerage firm offering a wide range of financial services, including investment management, retirement planning, and also brokerage services. It offers both self-directed investment account and robo-advisory services through Fidelity Go. Now, Fidelity is recognized for its comprehensive tools, resources, and extensive selection of investment options, including ETFs, mutual funds, stocks, and bond. Now, let's talk about the key differences between both platforms. And with this, you'll use it to make the best decision regarding these two platforms. The first one we're going to talk about right here is the management fees. As you know, Wealthfront, as at the time of creating this video, they still charge up to like 0.25% annual management fee. But when it comes to Fidelity, they offer Fidelity Go with no management fee for balances under $10,000 and a 0.35% fee for balances over $50,000. Okay, so the best right here is still Fidelity because it has low balance account and it has no fee of up to $10,000. Now, talking about investment options, Fidelity provides a broad range of investment options, including ETFs, mutual funds, individual stocks, and bond. But when it comes to Wealthfront they primarily offers ETFs. Okay, so in this aspect, I'm still gonna go with Fidelity because of its extensive variety of investment choices. Okay, and talking about automation services, Fidelity offers automated services through Fidelity Go. Okay, but they lack automatic tax loss harvesting. But when it comes to Wealthfront, they provide automated portfolio management, rebalancing, and tax loss harvesting. So right here in the aspect of automated service, Wealthfront is the best for comprehensive automated services, including TLH, which is known for tax loss harvesting. And another aspect is the tax loss harvesting, which is the TLH. So, Wealthfront offers tax loss harvesting as part of its standard services, okay? But Fidelity, they do not provide tax loss harvesting in its basic robo-advisor services. So that aspect, I'm still going to go with Wealthfront for, including tax loss harvesting, okay? Talking about ease of usage, Wealthfront also, it's known for its user-friendly and intuitive platform, okay? But Fidelity, they offer a robust platform with more advanced features, which, might be complex for beginners. So best here is still Wealthfront for the simplicity and ease of usage, all right? Talking about financial planning tools, Wealthfront they offer financial planning tools and goal-based harvesting, okay? But Fidelity, they provide a comprehensive suite of financial planning tools, including retirement planning and investment analysis, okay? So best here is still Fidelity for the depth of its financial planning tools, okay? Now let's talk about customer support. As you know, Wealthfront provides digital support with limited human advisor interaction, okay? But when it comes to Fidelity, they offer extensive customer support, including phone, chat, and in-person consultation. So best here, we'll still go to Fidelity for the robust customer support options. Account minimums also is another reason because when it comes to Fidelity, there is no minimum for self-directed account and low minimum for Fidelity Go. But when it comes to Wealthfront, they require a minimum account balance of $500, okay, as at the time of creating this video. All right, so in this aspect, I'm gonna go with Fidelity because it has lower barrier of entry. Okay, talking about customization and control, Wealthfront they have limited customization options due to their automated nature, and when it comes to Fidelity, they allow extensive customizations of investment portfolio. So the best here is still Fidelity for greater control and customization. Talking about security features, Wealthfront they have standard security measures including two-factor authentication, all right? And Fidelity they have comprehensive security measures including voice recognition and extensive fraud protection. So best here depends. Wealthfront is not so bad, but possibly we still go for Fidelity for the advanced security features. Account type supported also. When it comes to Fidelity, they support a broader range of accounts, including taxable, retirement, college savings, and trust savings. Okay, so they are a lot right there, right? But when it comes to Wealthfront, they support taxable, retirement, and college savings accounts. So the best here we still go to Fidelity for supporting more account types. All right, performance tracking. Wealthfront, they provide detailed performance tracking within the application. And when it comes to Fidelity, they offer comprehensive performance tracking with advanced analytical tool. So the best here is Fidelity for detailed performance analysis. Talking about cash management, Fidelity provides various cash management options, including high interest savings, okay, and also checking accounts. All right. But with Wealthfront, they offer a cash account with competitive interest rate. All right. So the best here to me is still Fidelity for more versatile cash management options. Okay. Talking about educational resources, Wealthfront right here to provide basic educational content. Okay. And when you come to Fidelity, they offer extensive educational resources, including webinars, articles, and tools. Okay. So they have a lot right there. All right. So the best here is to Fidelity to me for a wealth of educational resources. Okay. The last point that I have, which is the 15th point right here, talking about the difference, is promotions and bonuses. Now, when it comes to Wealthfront, they occasionally offer promotions like fee waivers for referrals. Okay, so they do that a lot of time. And Fidelity right here, they frequently provide sign-up bonuses and promotions. Okay, so the best right here to me is still Fidelity because of the more frequent and generous promotional offers, even if you do not do referral like Wealthfront. However, Fidelity is big, so we really can't blame Wealthfront for not being able to do up to what they are capable of doing. I'm sure that by now you already know my recommendation, because right here, my best recommendation here is still Fidelity. And the reason is, number one, the lower fees, because with Fidelity, you need no management fees for low balances account, which is kind of making it to be cost effective. And another reason is investment options, because they offer a more broader range of investment options and catering to diverse investment needs. Okay, and financial planning tools. The fact that they provide comprehensive tools for detailed financial and also retirement planning is another reason why I'm going to choose them. And they have a very good customer support because they have extensive support options, including in-person consultation and not only the live chat or the live call on the mobile. All right, they also have educational resources, which is very good, and it helps investors make informed decisions with their rich educational content. So these are the reasons why I go for Fidelity, and I'm sure that you've been able to know and understand better what each platforms are capable of doing. However, if you still think that Wealthfront is better than Fidelity, you can let us know in the comment box. However, I'm not also an expert. This is just me telling you what I know. So you can go ahead and drop your comments in the box and let us know the reason why you believe Wealthfront is better than Fidelity. And if you feel that, okay, fine, truly Fidelity is much better, you can go ahead, give me a thumbs up, and also like, share, and subscribe this so that other people can be able to learn from this video. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.